we have no ideas and the advertisement is due soon. Does anyone have any ideas?
No. Wait, I have an idea. I think we have the one.
So you get your yearbook yet?
No, that's stupid.
Well, I bet you better get one. Come back here.
Okay, I'll buy one.
Yeah, you better.
Okay, I will.
I think we did a pretty solid job.
I think you forgot what a good video actually is and what a bad video actually is.
Oh, yeah,
I
right.
guess that one was a bit crazy and overboard. Yeah, we definitely need a different video idea.
Wait, we don't have another video idea, remember?
Oh, we do, and it's gonna be a great hit.
My father gave me a small loan of $1 million, and I'm going to use it to buy DMS Yearbook. It's only $30, and $30 is cheap to me. By the way, follow me on Twitter at @RealDonaldTrump. At @RealDonaldTrump.
Oh, that's right. What do you think? We should shoot more of this advertisement, right?
Nah, I'd rather not.
Why not?
If we shoot more, we won't have time to do my ideas.
What crazy idea are we getting into now? Oh, hey you.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Buy a yearbook.
Why should I? A yearbook is so
You
boring.
can spy on your classmates or look up at the guy you met up in the dark alley.
Okay, but it's super expensive though. I could buy a million other things with $30.
Sure, you could buy an honest t-shirt, 1,500 ladybugs, and a straightforward doormat.
No thanks.
Buy the DMS yearbook today.
Buy your yearbook today right after this video. And price begins at $30, but there'll be $35 in January. What are you waiting for? Go! We're still reading this right now. Okay, I said go. Okay, I'll stop talking so this advertisement can end. Seriously, the Donald Trump one was better.
Whatever, we're still going with this one.
No way.
You know we do have a choice other than doing one of these.
Yeah, we do have a choice. We can make one more advertisement. Yeah, and this time it will be serious. One.
Buy the yearbook today.
Yeah, the prices will be $30, and then from January it'll be $35. So get your yearbook now.
The yearbook team has worked really hard, and we'd love for you to see our creation.
We've tried everything to make this advertisement as best as possible, so please get a yearbook.
So please buy the DMS yearbook today.
Yeah.